Hey there, are you a professional? Being a professional does not always mean being really well dressed just like me, or maybe being in your best suit. It does not always mean that. Sometimes being a professional means that your emails have a very proper email signature at the end of them. And do you know that HubSpot has a free email signature tool which you can use in order to have really awesome email signatures? And let's see how it can be used. So guys, the HubSpot email signature template generator is very easy to use, and you can get started without logging in, without going into any steps. Just click on the create my signature button. Here you can choose a template of your liking. For example, I might want something like this. Maybe something like this looks very professional. Maybe something like this. There are a lot of different templates available. I filled up my details some time ago, so this looks pretty good. And then you click on details. Here you can type in your details. For example, in my first name I have typed in my name, and in the last name I put in my family name, and in the job title I put in my role. In the department I put in marketing, company name, phone number, which is the appropriate number, website URL. If you want to give address, you have 4 line options over here. You can put in the social links, which would show up as links with proper icons inside the email signature template. And here in the custom field, you can put in something. So I put in 24/7 available. Maybe you can put in something else. Maybe you are even more hardcore as compared to me, and you can put in 24/7, 365 available. Now that's hardcore. And once you put in something like that, and then you can see that you can also customize the styles a little bit. For example, I might want to change my theme to something more in tune with HubSpot. So I choose a bright shade of orange text color. You can choose a slightly grayish color, maybe if you want it to look a little bit less contrasty. And in the link color, maybe you can choose something like a shade of blue, which looks particularly good. In the font as well, you can choose a system font depending on what kind of system font you want. So these are the system font options which are installed on almost every system. So Arial is a tried and tested one. You can go for something like Verdana, which looks pretty good. You can also go with something like Tahoma, not Times New Roman. That looks like very bad. That looks like an outdated and really bad font. You can choose something like Tahoma. It also looks pretty good. Choose a sans serif font, looks a little bit more modern. Maybe something like Arial would look good, or you can go with Verdana. You can't go wrong with that. You can also choose the font size which you want to show up in your email signature. Large is better. And once all of this is done, you can also go to images, and you can upload custom signature images as well. For example, your profile picture. You can put in a photo over here, and you can put the logo for your company. And you can also create a custom call to action over here. For example, I can put a book consultation call. So that is a custom call to action present in my email signature, and here I can put the appropriate URL for that, and I can also customize the CTA color in order to have a little bit more better branding. I can choose the text for that. Maybe I want it to be 100% white, and you can choose a custom CTA image, custom CTA URL, or you can use the default options present in the template. Once all of that is done, click on create signature and choose the number of employees which work at your company. Click on confirm and submit, and here you can copy the signature. You can copy the signature source code, or you can also email it to your colleagues. That's something really cool, and this is how HubSpot makes your professional life a little bit more easier. So guys, did you like the email signature template generator? Do let us know about it in the comments below. And in case you are building something awesome of your own in which you need our help, we at CTN9 will be more than happy to assist you. We have years of expertise in HubSpot and inbound marketing, and our professionals are ready at your beck and call in order to serve you better. And you can scan the QR code on the screen in front of you in order to book a free one-on-one consultation call, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.